I'm Golden Blaze, and this is my first YouTube channel, and this is Emo Nightmare.
What is up?
What's up, guys? And
Today
let's go.
Today we're gonna be showing you how to make not to be wasteful recycling by using water bottles. Just put it on your bike on the tire, and it will make a motorcycle sound. Here, we'll demonstrate.
I'll go first. Alright, see?
No, but stay over there. Now, see how mine makes a louder noise?
Yeah.
See? It's a motorcycle!
Come on. Come back. As you can know, that the water bottle making the sounds, and
Yeah.
the water bottle is making the sounds, and as you can see, it's right there. It's making the sound. See? So we're trying to be resourceful, not jerks. Just saying. And I think I just lost Emo Nightmare.
Evil.
It's emo.
Okay, let me record.
Emo Nightmare! Come on.
Yeah, you can see him. Right over there.
Where the hell were you? You missed the whole video. No, why did you give it to them? No, come back. No. Don't forget to subscribe. This guy's a jerk. He's an idiot. And this channel is gonna be about gaming, life lessons and shit. Yeah, just saying, it's gonna be a good YouTube.
And what about you?
And you forgot, you missed the whole video.
Yeah, and what's you gonna say for it? People. Alright, after this video, go check out this vlog. And after this video, the vlog, we're gonna do a water bottle trick socks.
Okay. See you later, everybody. Have a nice bad day.